Hello everyone, Home Cooking wishes you all a very happy Pongal. This harvest season, we heartfully pray to God that nobody starves and everyone has access to sufficient food. On this festive occasion, let us take a moment to thank our farmers who've been toiling so hard to feed us since ages. May this Pongal ensure their well-being and fill their lives with light and joy they truly deserve for serving us all unconditionally and selflessly. Now coming to us, we hope to keep you entertained with many more interesting recipes, and we are ever grateful for all your love you guys keep showering us with. Once again, my team and I wish you all a happy harvest, health, happiness, peace, love and prosperity in abundance.